Assalamualaikum students. I hope you're all keeping yourself and your loved ones healthy, well and safe by staying indoors and using this time not just to learn and create new things but also spending time with your family, with your siblings, with your parents and strengthening your bonds. Alright students, so today we are going to make a very interesting and adorable little cute kitten, this cat, and the main item used in this is newspaper. So this project is called the newspaper cat. When I go through with this video, you'll not only understand how to make this cute little kitten, but you'll also learn the importance of recycling. So what is recycling basically? What we do is that instead of all the stuff that we've used, instead of throwing it away, we use it to make new things, usable things, so that we can lessen the pollution on Mother Earth. So the main things needed for this cute little newspaper cat is of course a piece of newspaper, different colored foaming sheets. If you want to make a bow for the collar of the kitten or just a plain little collar, you will be using foaming sheet for that. White foaming sheet for the eyes, a few pieces of chart paper for the background on which we'll be pasting the newspaper cat, a piece of newspaper of course, and just try to get a one which has no stains on it and is crisp so that the thing we draw on it is clear and visible. Glue, a black marker, a lead pencil and a pair of scissors. And as I've told you before in my video, you have to use a very sharp pair of scissors to make your cutting neat and clean, and just try to make sure that you don't harm yourself in the process. And if you think that you might cut yourself, you can always ask for help or assistance from your elder sister or brother or your parents if they're around. So now we're going to start this newspaper cat. So I've started basically on the sketch of the cat for you so that it's easy for you to follow and doesn't take a lot of time. We have to draw a cat on the newspaper. I've drawn the ears and partial face, and now I'm going to continue with the body of the cat. We'll make the inner ears of the cat. This is the nose and the snout of the kitty. The lips. I'm just drawing the eyes for a reference, students, because what I've done in the sample I've shown you is that I have made the eye with a cutout from the foaming sheet. Now we're going to make the markings on the cat. The cats you've seen around your houses, or if you have any pet cats, I'm sure you must have noticed that they have different markings over their face and their body. So we're trying to get that in this as well so that the cat looks more prettier. Like so. And now a few here to balance it out. Alright, so our cat is done, the sketch is done. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to color in all these markings we've made to highlight them. And I'm doing this with the help of a black marker. And if you want to use any different colors, you can always use different colored markers or crayons or even watercolors if you prefer those. I'm sure everybody loves cats. I've yet to come across a person who said that I don't like cats. And students, as I was telling you earlier about the recycling thing, it's really very important to minimize the pollution we cause as much as we can, and for that we can, always use the things, leftover things, to make new projects. We're always throwing away these newspapers or using them in the kitchen. So we have an additional use for a newspaper which we've already read, and we can use that to make crafts. So I'm just filling in these markings. And we should always try to go as plastic less as we can. Try to get the groceries or whatever you're buying from the market in a paper bag instead of a plastic bag, because it's easier to get the paper recycled as compared to the plastic bags. That takes really, really, really long to, decompose and get recycled. And that's harmful for us and harmful for the earth as well. All right, so we're nearly done with this. Okay, so this is done. Now what we're going to do is that we are going to cut out the eyes of the cat with white foaming sheet. And you can just simply paint the eyes white of the cat and then use a black marker to make the pupils, but this way we can give it a nice 3D effect as well. Alright, take some glue, spread it over the back of the eye and just paste it here like so. And repeat the process for the other eye. There we go. Alright, the eyes are done. Now we have to make a colorful collar for the cat, and for that I'm using an orange color foaming sheet, and I am just going to cut out a longitudinal rectangle, slightly slanted, which is going to fit the collar of the cat. Yes, perfectly. All right. Just going to put some glue on it. And paste it here. All right, this done. Now we just have to quickly cut out the cat so that we can stick it on the piece of chart paper I showed you earlier. Try to be as precise as you can while cutting this cutout. When you're done watching this video, when it's uploaded, do leave in your comments and tell me how much you like cats, and if anyone has a pet cat at home, what's the color, what's the breed, what's the age of the cat, and how do you like to play with it. It's always nice to have pets, and cats are nice companions if you want to keep an indoor pet. I have 4 kittens, but they're asleep right now. Otherwise, I would have loved to show you. They love playing with balls of wool or thread. And I have a really nice time with them. So, when you're done with the cutouts, students, always try to straighten things up and have a clutter-free workstation. Right, now I'm going to draw the pupil of the eye. Like this. Right. Alright students, now what we have to do is that we have to take a piece of chart paper. I have two here because I'm going to show you two variations. Now for this one I'm using the yellow paper. So what I'm going to do is put some glue on the back side of the cat. Try to cover the edges properly. And we are just going to paste it in the middle of the chart paper like this. And just make sure that it sticks properly. So this is one variation, just like the one I showed you at the start of the video, right? So now what we have to do is that we have just to, outline the eye, which we made with the foamic sheet with the black paper so that it gets properly highlighted and looks pretty. Same goes with the collar. Right, so we have two ready and I'm just going to show you another variation and it's really cute as well. So now what we do is, I've already drawn a cat and I have pasted the eyes on it as well, and I have also cut out a red bow with the foamic sheet. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to paste it in a different way so as to give it a 3D effect. As you can see that I have cut out the face and the body separately for this one. They're not attached together. Alright, so we are going to paste the face of the cat at a slight angle at the top left of the page. Then I'm going to put some glue on the back side of the body of the cat, like so. And again paste it at an angle here on the right side of the chart paper, the lower side. And this is the bow I've cut out with the foamic sheet. It's very easy, you can even make any shape you want. I just made a longer bow. Put some glue at the back of the bow. And now we're just going to put it here. So, alright students, we're done with this. So two of our cats, they have pretty little colored collars. And this little beauty has a red bow instead of a collar. So you can, make any variations you like and just, try to play around with things, and you can put in your ideas as well, and do let me know if you have any good ideas that can be used to, further decorate the body of the cat or the background maybe. So students, today's session is ending, and I've shown you how to recycle newspapers into making these cute little newspaper cats. Do try it, practice it, and let me know how it goes. Have fun, stay safe. See you next time, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.